Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Marvel Rivals error code 5, and let's get straight into the video. So if you have Marvel Rivals downloaded through Steam, you can go ahead and right click on Stream and run as an administrator. Once Steam is open, you can go over to Library, go over to Marvel Rivals, right click on it, hit Properties, then go over to Installed Files. From installed files, go ahead and hit verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit verify integrity of game files. And if you have any like corrupt or missing files, this will fix that issue, and that can also be a result to the login issue that you're having. Another thing you guys can do is in Marvel Rivals, just log out of your account and then log back in, and then do this a few times, and also make sure you restart Marvel Rivals as well, because that can also help fix the issue. Another method you can do is if you are having any like network type of connection issues, just go ahead and restart your Wi-Fi router or use an Ethernet cable instead. And what you can also do is the same thing if you have it downloaded on Epic Games Launcher. It's the same process. Just go over to Marvel Rivals, right click on it, and it should say verify or repair files. And once you do that, you guys should be good to go, and that is it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.